Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The box is upside down. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Ninja 5V. This is by Atomos. I bought this for my camera just to get some better codec, some longer recording time, some easier files to work with my iPad Pro. Just starting out, bringing more equipment into the YouTube channel, and I thought this would be great to start with. So let's just take a look at this. For recording, it supports up to 4K or 8K, 4K up to 120, 8K ProRes RAW up to 30. It's 360 grams here. It's got a 5.2 inch IPS touch panel. Does do log, does do LUTs, tons of playback, 500 megabytes per second, SATA 3 SSD drives. We'll get into more about that in a little bit. Let's go ahead and unbox this so you guys can see what comes in the box here. This is similar in size, weight, dimensions to the prior Ninja 5, just with a different chipset, so that allows you to have better recording capabilities. So the box does come wrapped in plastic. Let's take a peek here. Looks like we slide it out. Let's do it. This is my untainted reaction to this here. This is the first time I've ever spent a serious amount of money on any kind of monitor for my camera. So let's take a look. Okay, so we're greeted with some cardboard packaging here.
I'm not sure I understand.
Oh, of course Siri's gonna ruin this video. Oh, this one comes with a case. Oh, nice, okay, cool. Oh wow, check that out. So that's the only thing in this box. So this one actually comes with a case here. Nice Atomos like EVA case with a fabric, obviously light gray in color, with a lanyard hook here. That's really nice. I was not expecting this, but I'm glad that Atomos went ahead and gave us something extra for the Ninja 5 Plus. It's got AquaGuard zippers on it, which is super nice here, and a little bit of Atomos branding. Good zipper pulls. All right, you guys ready for this? Let's see what we got here. It'd be hilarious if I opened it up upside down. Oh man. Oh geez, this is like a whole kit. This is legit. Okay, let's take a look and see what we got. Wow. Okay, let's jump right in. The first thing we get here is a black cardboard box that contains, what do we got here? This is an AV adapter here. It looks like, no, it's a power adapter, okay. So battery eliminator. So if you want to plug this into the wall, you do have the ability to do that. You don't need to buy any serious hardware right out of the box. I do know what this is. This is an enclosure for a SATA drive. Very cool. Did not know that this included all this stuff. And it does offer you mounting hardware to get it all mounted in there. This will slap right on the back of the monitor, and you will have a nice little enclosure. They do offer different ones. Stay tuned. I did order one from Andy Cine. That we're gonna be doing a Samsung T5 conversion. That video will be coming out soon. Let's see what else we got going on here. We have, this is kind of a bigger box. Okay, so in here we have a few different things. I wonder what this could be. Well, this looks like a wall adapter. Awesome. So, very nice. Notice that it doesn't have any plugs on it. I'm assuming that there's some kind of like multi-adapter that goes with this, and then this plugs right into the monitor here. It also looks like it has some kind of threaded job here, so that may be able to be in there more secure. Let's do some more digging, see what else we get here. So inside here is all of the different power adapters. So if you're traveling internationally, or depending on where you live, you can plug this in. I'm an American, so I will be using this one here. Very cool. You get you know, all the standard ones that you get for traveling around here. I wish they were labeled so I knew exactly what they were and I would sound super cultured, but I don't. So you've got double prong thing, double prong and a 45-degree thing, straight prong thing, and the 120 volt adapter. So put those to the side. All right, that's it for this box here. And also, just a little anti-humidity packet there. So this looks like it has some kind of Velcro here, and very nice little case. This has got 2 elastic sleeves here and the ability to keep cables down and other things down. So if you have things you want to store in here, you could do that as well. So flip this over here. This is actually, okay. There is our directions. Let's pop this open. Something tells me this is more complicated than just this little thing here, but maybe a quick start guide. There we go. So yes, a quick start guide. So this will show you kind of how to register, how to get free codec activation here, and download the complete user manual. It also has one of these handy dandy QR codes, so if you just want to scan, it gives you kind of the overall layout of the screen and the units, place where you put the battery, the buttons, the connections, and all that. So very nice. Atomos, I appreciate the attention to detail there. And there is another half netted pocket here with a, looks like a little padded sleeve here. And inside this sleeve, you guys are gonna see this for the first time along with me. Wow, man. Do you ever buy something and you spend a little bit more on it than you usually do, and then you open it up and it's immediately apparent why it was so expensive? This is just like a solid piece of kit. Make sure you download the latest Atomos software here, and it does come with a 3-year warranty. It looks like you can register this with My Atmos Online, so I'll be doing that next. Looks like it does come with a little screen protector, which I'm going to wait to peel off because I have one. Looks like the unit has some quarter 20 mounts and some indexing pins on the top and bottom, a full-size HDMI out and in, as well as a power button, mic line in, headphone jack for monitoring your audio, and a remote. Wow. What a nice unit. Okay, this is looking familiar. So on the back side here, this looks like a battery port here, so this piece here can snap in somehow like this, I'm sure, and there we go. That was not hard. You guys saw me do that. I'm not sure if it's all the way in there or not, probably not, but it's, oh, I see, it's actually an upside down. I was gonna say, that was too easy. I never get these on the first try. Let's see here. There you go. Nice solid click. Wow, this is a really solid piece of kit. Once you get your SATA drive in here, you will just end up putting this in some configuration like this here. It will slide in and you'll have it, and that's what your screen will look like. Notice it does hang off the side. The one I've elected to go with does leave a little bit of venting room here, and it does not stick off the side. So again, stay tuned for that. If you guys have any questions about this unit here, stay tuned. I will be doing some type of review on it once I become familiar with it. I want to get a little more intimate with the way it works, its features, but all in all, just a really nice first impression. Thanks for hanging out on the unboxing. If you guys have any questions or tips, or you guys know something that I don't, all you geniuses out there, let me know in the comment section below and we'll collaborate. All right, guys, stay classy. Thank you.